Okay, so you're interested in accepting crypto donations, but what does it actually take? The good news is that it's more straightforward than you might think. There are two main paths you can take based on your expertise and comfort level. The first is self-custody. This means that you set up your own crypto wallet and receive donations directly. You have complete control. You pay no service fees, but you're also responsible for security, and you'll need to figure out accounting and compliance yourself. This might make sense for crypto-native organizations or those with technical capacity on staff. The second option is to go through a third-party platform. Services out there like Endaoment, Giveth, or the Giving Block handle a lot of the complexity. The service level provided by the different crypto philanthropy platforms varies a lot, so head to the resource section to learn more about the different platforms that are out there and the benefits that come with each. But you usually pay some sort of fee, typically a few percent, and get support in the background. But there are some platforms out there that are zero fee as well, or low fee at the very least. So for most organizations just getting started, this is the easiest path and usually what I recommend. Now, there are a few practical considerations when deciding what you want to do here. The first is, should you hold crypto or convert it immediately to dollars? Most organizations convert immediately to avoid volatility, but if you're comfortable with the risk, holding some crypto can be beneficial if prices rise. Talk to your board, finance team about what makes sense for your risk tolerance. And what about regulations? In the US, crypto is treated as property. Donations are tax deductible like stock donations, but the regulations vary by country and change frequently. So work with a CPA or attorney who understands crypto. It is worth the investment, and make sure you have strong policies in place around this. And third, security is non-negotiable. Whoever controls the keys controls the funds. If you're doing self-custody, it's important to learn about hardware wallets, multi-signature setups, and secure key management. And if you use a third-party platform, make sure to verify their security practices. We'll cover this more in the security module, and we'll also have a list of recommended policies that you can create for your organizations. We'll see you in video number 3, where we're going to chat a bit more about building your crypto fundraising strategy.